Hello. In this video, you will learn how to log data for LabSmith's uDevices using uProcess. uProcess allows users to track statuses and measurements from connected uDevices using data logs, which save as .csv files on your computer. Logs are useful for analyzing the readings of individual uDevices, tracking their changes over time, comparing data from several different uDevices simultaneously, and logging experimental parameters. Since different uDevices collect different data, your data log will depend on which uDevices are connected. 4 VMs, or 4-channel valve manifolds, measure the valve states of all 4 channels. 4 AMs, or 4-channel sensor manifolds, show temperature or pressure readings from any connected sensors. 4 PMs, or 4-channel power manifolds, measure the status, voltage, and current of all 4 channels. SPS01 syringe pumps log syringe volume. And lastly, EP01s, or electrophoresis power modules, track voltage, current, and flags. There are 2 main ways to create a data log. You can manually turn logging on and off, or you can trigger data collection to be automatically started and stopped within a script. Both methods require you to configure how uProcess should name files and where they should be saved, so we will do that first. Open the View tab and click Status/Measurement Logging Options. This opens the Status Tracing settings, where you can change the data sample rate, called the log entry interval, where log files are saved, and whether or not uProcess should automatically name log files. The maximum polling rate in uProcess is about 60 Hz, or 0.17 milliseconds per sample. This rate is limited by the Windows operating system, and sample rates may be further reduced if your computer is multitasking. Once you have selected your desired settings, you are ready to start data collection. First, we will explain how to manually start and stop data collection. This approach is best for collecting data when a script isn't running, like when you simply want to change the states of uDevices using the Interfaces tab in uProcess. To begin, ensure that you have already connected any uDevices that you intend to collect data from. Then go to the File tab and click Log Status/Measurements. If you did not opt for uProcess to automatically name log files, you will now be prompted to choose a file name and a file save location. Otherwise, the file is created automatically, and logging begins at the interval specified earlier. Now, as you change the states of your devices, or if you have connected sensors, then the state changes and measurements are recorded. Data collection continues until you uncheck Log Status/Measurements, click Rescan Devices, or close uProcess. The second way to create a data log is to use uProcess's scripting feature to automatically turn logging on and off. This approach is best for collecting data while a script is running. To begin, ensure that you have already connected any uDevices that you intend to collect data from. Then, write a script to complete your desired task per usual, or open a script that you have already created. Finally, simply add a log on command at the beginning to start data collection, and a log off command at the end to stop collecting data. Data is only collected during the duration between the log on and log off commands in your script. For more information on logging data in uProcess, like how to create a custom log file that records user-defined variables, see the Logging Data in uProcess application note in the description of this video. Thanks.